In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the power steering return line hose on your Ford Expedition. This line is going to go from the pump to the return line, and they will meet at the top of the radiator. Let's get started. We're going to remove the top cover. Using a Phillips head bit, we're going to unscrew the clips. The threads are old, so it won't necessarily unscrew. We're going to use a trim tool and pick up on the centerpiece, and then we can pull the clip out. We're going to go through and do all of them along the top. Remove the cover. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to remove the bolt holding the line to the pump. Remove the bolt. Before you start to remove the lines from the pump, be sure you have a bucket under the power steering. It will leak. Wiggle the line and pull it out. Using the help of a flat blade screwdriver or trim tool, I pushed on the opposite side of the plate as I pulled on this one and removed the line. We're going to let this drain using a pair of pliers. Squeeze the clamp. We're going to pull it back. We're going to pull the soft hose off of the hard. I'm going to use a flat blade screwdriver and separate this clamp. Pull this tab back and push this up, and then we can remove the line. And remove the line from the vehicle. We're going to be reusing the O-ring off of the old line. Ours is in good condition. If your O-ring is not in good condition, we recommend replacing it. Install the O-ring onto the line. Then we're going to install the line into the car. I'm going to drop it down. When you're dropping the line in, you're going to want to aim it towards the pump, and you're going to be on the right side of the lower radiator hose. Then we're going to drop the top of the line into the clamp and clamp it down. We're going to put the soft line onto the metal line. Then with a pair of pliers, grab the clamp, pinch it, and pull it back into its original position. Install the line into the rack. You want to make sure that the fitting is fully seated. Then we can get our bolt started. Snug the bolt down. Torque this bolt to 17 foot-pounds. Open the cap for the power steering reservoir. Go ahead and fill it if you lost any fluid. Once you've done this, go ahead and get in the car and turn the wheel back and forth. Once you've turned the steering wheel lock to lock about 5 to 10 times, go ahead and start the car up, and we're going to listen to the pump. If you hear any squealing or any air, you still need to bleed the system more. Keep turning lock to lock. Once you're done bleeding the system and there's no whining coming from the pump, go ahead and put the cap on. and close the reservoir. I'm going to prep these clips for install using a small pick. We're going to push the middle out of here. Then we can go through and install our clips. Once I have the bases installed, I'm going to go around and push the middle in. If your clips are still in good working order, you probably won't need to do this. And once you have all your clips in, you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.